Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide tutorial on how to activate the notification light on Samsung C55 5G device. Well, by activating the notification light, users can quickly glance at their device to determine the priority of incoming notification based on the color or pattern of the notification light. This helps users prioritize which notifications to address first. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. To begin, access the settings menu on your device. Within the settings, locate and select notifications. And from the notification settings, you can choose notification pop-up style. And then proceed to tap on the edge lighting style. And within the edge lighting style settings, you can select from various available styles to customize the appearance of your edge lighting notifications according to your preferences. Okay, additionally, you have the option to adjust the color, duration, and transparency of the edge lighting notifications to further personalize your device visual notifications. Okay, once you have made the desired changes to the edge lighting style, color, duration, and transparency, and then click on Done to save the modifications and apply the update edge lighting settings on your device. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to activate the notification light on Samsung C55 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get all the information from this channel. Thank you.